Hey, everybody. All right, we're going to start this one a little different. Give me a clap, guys. Come on. Yeah. All right, keep that going as long as you can. Here we go. I put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane. Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. W.C. Handy, won't you look down over me? Yeah, I've got a first class ticket, but I'm as blue as a boy can be. And I was walking in Memphis, I was walking with my feet sending up a beat. Sound great. Walking in Memphis, do really feel the way I feel. Saw the ghost of Elvis down on Union Avenue and followed him up to the gates of Graceland. And I watched him walk right through. Now security, they did not see her. They just hovered round his tomb. There's a pretty little thing waiting for the king down in the jungle room. And I was walking in Memphis, walking with my feet 10 feet off a field. Walking in Memphis, do really feel the way I feel. They've got catfish on the table. Yeah. They've got gospel in the air. And Reverend Green will be glad to see you when you haven't got a prayer. Where's the sun? There it is. I just had to say hi to the sun because it's been hiding all these days. Finally. But boy, you got a prayer in Memphis. Now Muriel plays piano every Friday at the Hollywood. Brought me down to see her, and they asked me if I would do a little number, and I sang with all my might. They said, tell me, are you a Christian child? And I said, ma'am, I am tonight. I'm walking in Memphis. I was walking with my feet 10 feet off a wheel. Walking in Memphis. Oh, do you really feel the way I feel? Walking in Memphis. I was walking with my feet 10 feet off a wheel. Walking in Memphis. Oh, do you really feel the way I feel? I put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane. Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. I touched down in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring